Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my carrot and beetroot juice. Yes you guys, let's get started. So here I have about 3 pounds of carrots and I have 4 medium-sized beetroots and I'm just going to peel those. I'm making sure to wear gloves for this one because beetroot is very red, so it will stain my hands. So I mean, you don't have to, but you know, especially now that you need to spare your gloves for when you're going out. So yeah, so basically I just chop those you know, in good size pieces, like it's just so that it's manageable for your blender. So it depends on, you know, how your blender is. So I just cut them into not too small, not too big pieces. So now that's done, we're going to move on to our carrots. Okay, so basically I'm just chopping the heads off of that and I'm just going to just cut them up and yeah, I'm going to give them a good rinse, okay? This drink, you guys, is refreshing and it's good for you. So, you know, try this out because trust me, this is one of my favorite drinks. So please do try it out and let me know what you think, okay? And if you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel, and I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment of what you want to see next, or you know, just leave me a comment. And if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the continued support. I really do appreciate you guys, and yeah, any feedback you guys have would be great. Thank you. Alright, so now that's done, I'm gonna give it a quick rinse and then I'm gonna start blending. So basically I just added a little bit of water just right above where the fruit stops, and yeah, just gonna start blending that. So basically I just mix all the carrots and the beetroots together, and yeah, so I'm just gonna puree that to get most of the juice out, well, most of the juice and the flavor out of the carrot and beetroot, okay? So I basically pour that into a container nearby, and I'm just gonna repeat this step and then finish off the rest, okay? Alright, so now that's done, we're gonna be straining this. As usual, I love to use my nut milk bag for this because it keeps out all of the pulps and everything. So yeah, I basically just put it in my nut milk bag and I just wring it. I find it better to use that bag instead of a strainer because the strainer, you know, pulp does get in and I don't want that. So this is the best thing I've ever used for my juices. So yeah, try it out if you have not. Oh man, you need to try it out. I wish I knew about this a long time ago, but you know. So basically I just added the blended mixture into the bag, and I just wring it to squeeze out most of that juice. Okay. And please do wear gloves if you're sharing this with someone, you know. I would say this whether or not the situation right now, but because it's basically when you're wringing it out with using the nut milk bag, it does get all over your hands, hence why I'm wearing the gloves. So I would suggest wearing gloves for this part, unless if it's just for you, then just wash your hands properly and then, you know. Alright, so now that's done, I'm going to be sweetening mine with some condensed milk. Usually I put condensed milk and some Guinness, but I didn't have any Guinness on hand, or yeah, my husband didn't want to share, so I had to do without. But either way, it tastes really good. And I'm adding some nutmeg to that as well. That gives it a pop of taste, pop of flavor. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix that to combine and to incorporate that condensed milk. Okay. Sometimes it depends on how much juice I'm making. I'll use a little bit more than the 1 can. It depends on how it tastes. If it's, I just tasted it, and if it's not to that desired taste, I would add more condensed milk like I'm doing here. Other than that, I usually just eyeball it. If I have a lot of juice, then I'll just dump the whole can, but otherwise I will just pour some of the can in there and then taste it, and then if I need more, I'll add more. So, you know, you can sweeten this to however your taste is, you know, however your taste is. But mine is never sweet. It's more of a refreshing drink, and with a hint of that sweetness, but not too sweet. You know what I mean? It's just right. Okay, now I'm gonna be serving it up and let you guys see how it looks. There you go. I added some ice to that, and there we go. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.